Managing wallet access on your iPhone 16's lock screen provides quick access to your payment cards and passes without having to unlock your device. There are two ways to get this done. The first method we'll demonstrate is through Settings. To do this, go to the home screen and then tap on the Settings icon. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Face ID and Passcode. To continue, enter your iPhone passcode when asked. Now scroll down and find Wallet in the list. Once found, tap the toggle switch next to turn it on or off. The second method is through side button access. To do this, return to the Settings menu and then tap on Wallet and Apple Pay. In the succeeding menu, scroll to find the double-click side button option. Once found, tap the toggle switch next to it to enable or disable the feature. When enabled, double-clicking the side button on your lock screen will quickly bring up your payment cards for convenient transactions. And that's how you manage the wallet access on your iPhone 16. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more smartphone tutorials and troubleshooting guides.